Hi, we're going to review services for success, how Queplix professional services and our VARs can help implement QueCloud for small and mid-sized business. The question becomes why? QueCloud is fast and easy and automated. It's designed for business users, so why do you need help? Well, the answer is that many of our customers own the project at the CFO, COO, head of sales, or head of customer support level, and these leaders in the organization may not have resources to wrap around a data integration project. So we are pleased and proud to step up and quote services for complete integration, turnkey, to deliver QueCloud to you with all the functionality that your business requires. We can support data integration, we can support business intelligence, or even data warehousing. The process is very much the same. The first thing we want to do is understand your business workflow, your process that ties these applications together. How do the business objects move between these applications, if only manually? What are the points of intersection and how does it work today? And how might we improve that without substantially changing the business process or creating disruption to the organization? We need to understand what business objects need to go where and why. Business rules. So if this field is less than 6, and this data changes in Salesforce, this address data, I want it to ripple through to these 4 sources, since that is the source of truth, and I want that to happen immediately. If this field is 7 or greater, I want the source of data to be the NetSuite ERP. And those are the kinds of things that we need to discover and document. We need to understand the structure of your data, which our tools discover automatically, and the state of quality. And we need to understand how these business rules can vary conditionally. I would say that half the replacements we've done for other vendors, mostly that have what I would call the 20-year-old technology and the 1-year-old cloud, what's really slowed them down has been the business rule implementation. They really haven't shown an ability to implement business rules because the logic in these systems is not such that take this record of truth and put it in these 4 other systems. The logic is take this record of truth and put it through this pipe, and then in a totally separate stream of logic, take this record of truth and put it in this pipe. So those things happen sequentially from point A to point B and not in a hub and spoke manner. And so the ability for these products to successfully map customer business rules to implementation is moderate to low. And when it hits, it hits a point of difficulty, the implementations don't work. We see this all the time. Custom fields count. I can tell you that almost every customer, I don't care how small you are, you've added a field to NetSuite or Salesforce, and that has business value, or you would not have put it there. Therefore, it could be mapped into your integration in a useful way, as opposed to being ignored, which is what most other systems do. So, to get ready for pricing turnkey delivery, we've looked at some of your data sets, we've reported on the structure, we've worked through the business rules, we've talked about everything we need to do for data quality, and now we price turnkey delivery. We price it, the return on investment for you is quite high because our costs are generally much, much lower than using any legacy technology, and it's basically our professional services teams and our value-added resellers getting extreme leverage from advanced data virtualization and the capabilities that it offers. We can also set up to map our system as a domain into your BI, and then you can drive business intelligence from all these different sources from one place. That may reduce your connector fees, and it may enhance your ability to get this done. Certainly the ease of setup is far greater. You'll spend a fraction of the time in building out certain formats. For data warehousing or your data mart, or for small business, your mini mart, you've got places you store snapshots of your data. Advanced data virtualization will let you pull several columns, 2 from NetSuite objects, 3 objects from Salesforce, 5 columns from this relational app, 2 from PeopleSoft, which under the API is relational, and put them in one table, match them to a key, and then feed that to your data warehouse. That kind of capability is easily served by QueCloud and our professional services team, and it's difficult to impossible to do with most other technologies at anything approaching a reasonable price point. So ask us for a quote. The proof, I think, is in the implementation and what we have to say about the cost, and so put us to the test. Consider your QueCloud delivered turnkey. Ask us what it takes to get it all done, and we'll be delighted and pleased to deliver a turnkey for you and speed you on your way to success. Please email us at sales@queplix.com or give us a call, and we'll look forward to adding you to our list of highly successful customers. Thanks, and have a great day.